Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download Netflix movies to watch offline. It is a quick and easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now to download Netflix movies, you firstly need to have a Netflix account. If you don't have a Netflix account, then you will not be able to do so. You can only download Netflix movies from your mobile app and not from the website of Netflix. Now to do so, firstly open up the Netflix app, then choose your account. Now select the movie you want to watch. After you do so, under the play option you can see an option for download. Simply click on it. As you see, the movie has started to download. As you see, the video has just downloaded on my device. Now if you click play, you can watch this offline without having to open the Netflix app. So that's how easily you can download Netflix movies to watch offline. I hope you guys liked this video and found the video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this every day. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more content such like this. Thank you for watching.